So, before we start this video, little big announcement. You guys been asking for it for a while. Where's the merch at? We got it. Right here. As you can see, right there.
Right here.
If you guys seen it, the car.
Very cool.
The car right here.
Very cool.
Black Friday, I figured I'd get some shirts and hoodies design. Design, you can get on a hoodie or a tee. This design, that's Ant is wearing right here. You get that on a hoodie or a tee as well. Site will be live as you guys are watching this, so go get yourself a t-shirt or a hoodie. You want a hoodie or a t-shirt?
Of course. I always get left out in the front.
All right, now we need to clay bar. I cheated, I already did it, not thinking it would come out, but I'm kind of a wizard. But you see this big scuff right here? Watch. I won't show you my secrets, but here we go. On the wheel well, but I think those are pretty deep. Definitely better than what it was. It got all the light scuffs out. Just trying to go over it with the clay bar, on the light scuffs and scratches across the body, because if they come out, it'll be sick. It's worth to just go over them and try to get them out, because this will get a lot of those imperfections out. Like this. This will come out. Just like that, no more scuff on the panel or the door. So I'm not trying to give this car a full paint correction or make it look perfect by any means. I do want to fix the rust on it for sure. And if you guys know a way to get this off, this isn't like a few spots on the car. It's not rusty, but it's like surface rust. See that? Just like there was a little piece and then it like stained it, sanded it, maybe. Who knows? This is easily treatable before it spreads more. Like, look how annoying this is. Right here. That sucks. That's so annoying. This is very annoying. So you guys know how much I hate wipers. So I was just looking at wiper delete. It's like a little plug, just a grommet essentially. But I should have a plug or something here to put in for the time being. I hit it by accident tonight. It was just going like this. And the reason why I delete wipers mainly is because I forget to change them from time to time, and then it scratches the window, obviously. Dirt does get in the blade a lot and whatnot, so whatever. And it just looks better, so I'm gonna take this off. I don't know if a lot of hatches or EKs or EGs, whatever, is in the, if it's in the glass, but this is on the trunk panel itself. It's starting to rust under it. Let's pop this off. We gotta probably pop off the inside piece to take out the motor and whatnot. Come on. There we go. Good day. Technically, by removing this, it will prevent rusting. So there's multiple.
You're trying to steal the wrench.
That's not mine.
I know.
I don't have that.
It was in your drawer.
That's not mine.
Exactly my point. He's got a hatch.
He don't got it. He don't got a hatch. I was clay barring, clay bar.
You don't know what the fuck.
Dude, telling you.
Clay bar.
They'll tell you, or watch the video. There was a big scuff there, corrected.
What'd you do?
I can't tell all my secrets.
Clay bar only. Clay bar ain't taking a scratch out?
It did. It
wasn't a scratch then.
It's a scuff, I said, didn't I?
You said a scratch.
No clutch broken, you know? Free 10 mils plug and we'll be money. There it is. Thing's crispy. Motor out, trim back on. Now is to find a topic to treat this. They sand it down a little, rust neutralize it, you know, a little touch up paint, and then a grommet like that. Got Grant on the phone, and he says he knows a way to get rid of this stuff right here.
So, DJ, I need to explain something to you. That's not rust. That is the paint stained from rust. Does that make sense to you?
Got it.
So, you're just taking the staining off the paint with the compound. So, put a little dab of compound on the...
That looks like rust to me.
Well, that's rust, but the part you can't see, or the part you can see, that part, that's not rust. That's just shit in the paint.
He says compound. I got compound. Should we try it on that one or that? Let's do the one near the mirror.
Try it on the one next to the mirror.
Yeah, that's bad. That's fucking bad.
You're gonna have to push it though, DJ.
Oh man. It is taking it off.
I know.
Wow. Tips and tricks with Grant. Look at that. I'm f***ing shocked. Time to take an Adderall and go to town.
Wow.
Let's try it back. Let's try it back here, Dad, now before we go.
Try it on the door edge. What are you doing, DJ? It'll fucking work.
It'll probably clean that.
You're an idiot.
Look at it, it's bringing the metal back.
Look a little better, right?
Looks like Ant got a little half there on the rust hole.
Right there, bud.
Is that a glory hole?
Shout out Grant. Shout out Grant for that. So Ant's over here. He blew up his whole cooling system.
Blow it up.
It basically blew up. It popped. So got the radiator out, the
Still driving the car. It's
intake
fine.
out, water pump, reservoirs, hoses. The belt's on now. Not a bad job. It's about a 2-hour job, right?
I've been here longer, but I've been fucking off.
It's leaking a little coolant, which is why.
No, it never overheated.
Yeah.
That's a fact, though.
What?
Whoever's gonna comment this, that, it never overheated.
They're gonna say it's overheated.
Never overheated.
Always
Right here.
cool.
Look, radiator. It started seeping a little bit. I need that piece actually.
Mike did say don't snap the radiator. Did you see
a
that?
new one.
I know, putting it in.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's maintenance, you know? How much was the whole kit? Refresh kit.
5 something.
Oh, wow, really?
It's not bad though. Water pump, thermostat, radiator, hoses, expansion tank, everything.
A whole kit as one. That's good. You don't have to piece it all together. Not sponsored, so we're not gonna say where we got it from, but here it is. Want to sponsor my boy. All right then. We got bread. Tell him it. We got our own bread, right? I don't think I showed this, but when I removed the wiper arm and the motor, it was rusted underneath. Rust neutralize it, prime it, put the plug in, wait for the paint to come in, sand a little bit more off because it is a little bubbly still. Hit it with some rust mort, that's it. And then prime it. Djnoway made this mint template right here, so it's not a boxy thing of primer. Taped, scuffed. What is up, guys? Chill Saturday. I figured don't really have much to do, so I figured just get out and enjoy the pitters. And took the LX out, got the CRF out, exploring some trails near the shop. Never been over here. Came across this mouse hut. Gave him the Leatherman. He's carving something in it. And I mean, I don't know if this is, it could be like a spiritual sacrifice area. Full, cut yourself with that, it'll go through the bone. Did not take my GoPro, it's at my house. So I'll try to get some clips, just ripping around. Never took the KLX in the dirt until today. Fun fact, good bike, Ant likes it. What is there, a river over here too? Never been over here. Shit, it's a whole ass river. We're just riding, exploring. I get into these funks from time to time, and riding is definitely the best thing for me. Pods in, outdoors, and riding. All three things that are, you know, that's bad.
I wonder if this was attached to this.
At one point, probably.
Who's on the wall?
Swans. Need a boat, jet ski in here. This is where I destroy my camera. I can't believe it. I always have my GoPro on me and it's not in my backpack. I can't rip, obviously, because I'm one-handed and I don't want to eat shit or destroy my camera. Shit, I got this. One-hander. It's on your neck.
Good day. Been over here.
Dead end. All that to go to a dead end road.
Maybe up there.
Damn, a damn. Gotta turn around.
I jumped that.
Yeah, easily. But there's nothing over there. Oh, little mice! Ant!
Oh,
Look at them!
I see it.
They disturbed their home. All right, let's make our way back.
Hey. that little trail go to?
Which one?
We need to find a trail that ends up down there, near the shop. I don't know if there is any though.
Oh, remember when it was muddy that time? Back at the compound, and look, he's doing it too.
He's filming, we film.
See him right there. Took the mud card from the KLX. Never got it muddy, ever. Didn't even take it in the grass, I don't think. Never, ever, ever. So, I mean, it's intended to do that, but I intended to do other things with it, but we still could, I guess, whatever. Gonna clean them with the power washer, with the warm water, you clean them up. This one's a little neglected, it needs it. And then the shit, SC1, whole thing.
Oh, yeah.
Can I cool it?
No.
Okay, I thought
You have no clue.
I can't find this motherfucker.
You got mud all over your face.
Look at that. You guys have fun?
Yeah, it was good. It was sick.
We wish you were there, dude.
In there, we found crazy trails.
Yeah, crazy fun.
And where?
The lighting is
Right down
so
the road.
bad.
Oh, cool.
To go.
Were you supposed to give this thing away?
Yeah, didn't go according to plan. Aunt likes it.
Black Friday is now?
Yeah. I like
Throw it in
better
there.
than the CRF.
What?
I like it better than the CRF.
No.
No, it's not cap.
No good.
It rips in the trails.
A little backstory. Later that night, I went out with a Betty. I'm not gonna say her name because, you know, for confidential reasons, I can't do that, you know? I can't do that. Had a crush on this. She's a high school crush.
You ain't putting none of this in. What are you talking about?
High school crush, you know, Betty slid in the DM and I took her out bowling and then took her bowling in my bed that night. Went out. It was a good night. We had a good night. So that was just a backstory because I didn't say in the video what I did after or who I was with. Not really.
Did you even film that?
Yeah, the whole thing. Bowling, the bar, my room.
So what are you explaining this for?
I might start a new platform. Only clams and what's it called? If you guys would be interested in that. Read it.
21, my Eddie's on the knife, it's on the gate.
Should we go get drinks?
Yeah. Duh. Right here.
Close! I believed in you, I did. At least that yes is point.
I got a gutter. I'm beating you still though. Oh. Nothing. Gutter. Easy. How does it feel to lose?
I feel great.
No.
Good luck. Good.
What's that? What? You trying to hustle me? I think I'm still ahead.
Tied. We're tied.
No way. I gotta start trying. Hold up. Defeat. Oh, we still got a turn. I could choke like you did.
Yeah, please.
You're the only one that got a strike though.
I am the only one that got a strike.
I didn't get a strike.
That's what you get. That's what you get.
Redemption.
You definitely won.
Redemption.
97.
Nah, if you get a strike and then back to back, you could win. Technically. Yeah, I believe in you. 97. Fuck, I didn't break 100. I suck. Oh shit. Oh shit! No way! Just did that. Wait, so you get to go again? No. It's my turn.
Alright, number 2, right?
No way. No way. No, what? I just fucking won.
100. You broke 100. We're even. We're tied.
I'm a sore loser.
But last game I won this game. But I'm the only one that broke 100.
She did break 100. I did not. Barely broke 100. She got 100. I got 97. Fuck it. Take care. Have a good one. So that wraps up the night. I'm gonna probably go back to my house.
Slap some cheeks.
And stay tuned. Leave a like, definitely comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. And yeah, I'll see you guys then.